Hi, it's Terry Edwards here, Renegade Recruiter. We're the guys that recruitment and search businesses come to when they want to scale the business, when they want to make more placements at higher fee with fewer headaches. And what we found is one of the main reasons that recruitment and search businesses don't grow as quickly as they would like to and eventually plateau, in some cases decline, is because they're still using the old methods, outdated strategies and techniques to grow their business. Strategies that used to work years ago, and I want to be clear, as a recruiter, 20 plus years ago, I used to use some of these methods such as cold calling and networking. But the landscape's changed dramatically since then, and so the effectiveness of those strategies are in decline. If your business is still reliant on cold calling, networking, word of mouth, or hiring a team of consultants, your business is in great danger of being left behind. Now, I want to be clear, I'm not saying that these strategies don't work. What I am saying is they're not predictable, they're not scalable, and they're heavily focused on what we call hope. And trust me, hope is the last thing you want to rest the future of your business on. The good news is there are quicker, faster, and more effective ways of growing your business. And I'd like to share some of these at no cost and no obligation. So I'm going to share with you exactly how to do this. Look, if you're an owner or director of a recruitment or search business and you'd like to find hiring managers who have a need for your services and are happy to pay your fees without cold calling, without bringing in underperforming consultants, without networking or relying on word of mouth, even if you're a smaller firm, simply go to www.recruitmentprofits.com. That's www.recruitmentprofits.com and get access to a free video where you can see exactly how to do this. There is no cost for this, there's no obligation. But look, here's something worth considering. There are over 100 different ways that you as a recruitment and search business can generate leads. That's right, over 100. And if you're using just those four, cold calling, word of mouth, networking, and that's it, you've got some major problems. So go to www.recruitmentprofits.com. Watch the free video. Say there's no cost, there's no obligation. So until next time, take care, take action, and be relentless.